Alright, Jackson's learning to ride his bike. He's been doing the balance bike for 2 weeks. And now we've been practicing in this parking lot. And here he comes. Show us how you turn, buddy. Go down around Ellis's bike. Good job. Excellent. Wide turn. Keep pedaling. Oh boy. And turn around Daddy. You can do it. Keep going. Good save, bud. My gosh, you're so good. Don't. There you go. Jackson, we're going to send this video to your grandparents. Grandmother, Granddad, and Mimi, and Papa, and Uncle Sean, and Holly. Ooh, and your cousin Madden's going to be so proud. So is Grayson. Look at you go, buddy. Good job, Jackson. Woohoo! Good job, Jackson. Dude, you got it. Now we want you to go towards Daddy and practice braking. Go to Daddy and practice braking.